Have you ever wondered about the silent scream echoing across the emerald tapestry of our planet? This is a tale of 15 billion emerald giants, our trees disappearing each year. This is the story of the Earth's heart, gasping for breath as the concrete and steel monsters of human greed encroach upon its verdant spaces. Each tree that falls is like a stolen breath, a severed lifeline from the intricate web of life that binds us all. Our once vibrant planet now wheezes, its future growing dimmer with the loss of each grove. The silent scream grows louder, a haunting echo of what once was, and a chilling warning of what lies ahead. Our Earth is crying out for help, its voice drowned in the cacophony of our modern world. Each fallen titan a stolen breath, a thread snipped from the intricate web of life. The lungs of our planet wheeze, our future dims with each plundered grove. But fear not, for even in the face of this desolate tapestry, hope remains. In the heart of a child planting a sapling, we see a glimmer of tomorrow. In the hands of communities banding together, we witness the power of unity, the might of collective action. Think about it. Trees are not just towering giants of wood and leaves, they are the symphony of life, their rustling leaves singing the songs of the earth. They are the architects of breath, crafting air from sunlight and water. They are the heartbeats of our planet, pulsating with life and hope. Yet, their importance transcends their physicality. They are the keepers of memories, the guardians of childhood laughter. They are the silent listeners to our whispered secrets, the ageless companions on our journey through life. And so, they become the lullabies of future generations, whispering promises of a world where every breath sings of life. As we stand at the precipice of a new year, let us not just resolve for personal joys, but for the happiness of the Earth's heart. Each of us holds the power to make a difference. It's through our collective effort, our shared determination, that the emerald tapestry of our planet can bloom anew. It starts with a single sapling, a tiny seed of change, nurtured by hands that care. Join the movement. Become part of the rhythm that beats in harmony with the Earth's heart. Together we can ensure that the lungs of our planet breathe freely once more. Subscribe to our channel, join us on this journey. Be a part of initiatives that protect and restore our forests. It's within our grasp to sculpt a future where life thrives, where every heartbeat echoes the resilience of the Earth's heart. Remember, the Earth's heart beats for us. It's time we return the favor. Let the new year be the song of our resolve, the green shoot of a future where every breath whispers, "We did it together."